Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to order your Tesco Clubcard. First, go to the Tesco website and sign in to your account. Then, head over to My Account and find the Clubcard section. From there, click Order a new card. Next, choose whether you want a plastic card, confirm your address details, and then submit your request. If you don't have a club card yet, you can also register for one online or through the Tesco app. It only takes a few minutes. And that's it. You'll get your Tesco Club card in the mail soon. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.